In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Xero, which is essential for businesses operating across multiple countries or for those needing to handle transactions in different currencies. This process will help streamline your accounting operations and give you a clearer financial picture. First, let's get started by heading over to Xero. Open your web browser and log into your Xero account. Once you're successfully logged in and on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. You'll want to find and click on Accounting. This drop-down menu is your gateway to managing your financial settings. Once you've clicked on Accounting, you will see a list of options in front of you. From this list, look for Accounting Settings and click on it. This is where you can tweak various accounting-related settings within Xero. Now that you're in the accounting settings, navigate to the section labeled Currencies. It's usually located somewhere in the middle of the options available. Clicking on Currencies will take you to the area where you manage different monetary units. You're now in the Currency Management section, and the next step is to introduce the new currency you want to use. Look for the Add Currency button, which is generally visible on the upper part of the page or near the main options panel. Click on Add Currency to begin the process of integrating a new currency into your account. After clicking, you will see a field or a drop-down menu where you can select your desired currency from a list of available options. Take your time to scroll through the list and find the currency you're interested in adding. This list includes a wide range of international currencies, so ensure that you are selecting the right one for your needs. Once you've selected the desired currency, confirm by clicking on Add Currency. It's as simple as that. The currency you added will now appear in the list of currencies available within your Xero account, allowing you to use it for future transactions. This will be incredibly useful if you are dealing with clients or suppliers from regions using different currencies. Remember, adding multiple currencies can help manage financial discrepancies and give you better insights into your global financial performance. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change and add currencies in Xero. This edition will ensure that your financial reporting can cater to international transactions seamlessly. Keep an eye out for future videos where we'll tackle more tips and tricks to make your accounting with Xero even more efficient. Thanks for tuning in and happy accounting.